I'm quite happy that I'm saying goodbye in this nice cozy atmosphere, that we're already friends, that you saw my kitchen, you saw all the plates that I need to clean right now and wash. But this is not over, of course. We're gonna stay with you on Best Russian Food Instagram. And yeah, you could let us know what you think, which of those products and dishes you like the most, which surprised you the most, or maybe there's something you already knew or know how to do better. We are super open to your feedback. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Katya, who are you? And this is our authentic Russian food course over.